Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what are we going to do in today's video? In today's video, we are going to learn the conjugation of venir, which means to come, in the present tense in French. We will also do some exercises, or you can say practice dialogues, which you can use for your everyday French conversation. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, venir is an irregular IR verb, so there is no rule in learning the conjugation of venir. You just have to mug up the conjugation. And why you need to do it? You need to do it because it is one of the most common and important French verb, and also once you have learned and understood the conjugation of venir in the present tense, you will be able to understand another tense in French, which is the recent past. I will make another video, a separate video on this topic also. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get daily updates from my channel. Now, starting with the conjugation. Venir is conjugated as vient with je. So, if you want to say I come or I am coming, then you will say in French, je viens. Repeat after me. Je viens. Je viens. Very good. Now, venir is conjugated as vient with tu. So, if you want to say you come or you are coming in an informal and singular manner, then you will say in French, tu viens. Repeat after me. Tu viens. Tu viens. Very good. Now it is conjugated as vient with il. So if you want to say he comes or he is coming in a masculine and singular manner, then you will say in French, il vient. Repeat after me. Il vient. Il vient. Very good. Now it is conjugated as vient with L. So if you want to say she comes or she is coming in a feminine and singular manner, then you'll say in French, elle vient. Repeat after me. Elle vient. Very good. Elle vient. Now it is conjugated as venons with nous. So if you want to say we come or we are coming, then you'll say in French, nous venons. Repeat after me. Nous venons. Very good. Nous venons. Now it is conjugated as venez with vous. So if you want to say you come or you are coming in a formal and plural manner, then you'll say in French, vous venez. Repeat after me. Vous venez. Very good. Vous venez. Now it is conjugated as viennent with ils. So if you want to say they come or they are coming in a masculine or a mixed plural group, then you'll say in French, ils viennent. Repeat after me. Ils viennent. Very good. Ils viennent. Now again it is conjugated as viennent with eld. So if you want to say they come or they are coming in a feminine plural group, then you'll say in French, elles viennent. Repeat after me. Elles viennent. Very good. Elles viennent. So those were the conjugation. Now let us start with the exercise or practice dialogues. Now we have our first sentence, which is I am coming to school. So, for saying I'm coming to school, we say in French, je dash à l'école. Now try and put the correct form of conjugation of venir in the dash. Yes, very good. Je viens à l'école. I am coming to school. Je viens à l'école. Our next sentence is you are coming to the park. So, in French, we'll say tu dash au parc. Now, again, try and put the correct conjugation in the dash over here also. Yes, very good. Tu viens au parc. Very good. You are coming to the park. Tu viens au parc. Now, our next sentence is he is coming to the party. So, in French, it is il dash à la fête. Now, here again, try and put the correct conjugation. Very good. Il vient à la fête. He is coming to the party. Il vient à la fête. Now, our next sentence is she is coming to the market. We'll say in French, elle dash au marché. Now, again, try and put the correct conjugation in the dash here also. Very good. Elle vient au marché. Very good. She is coming to the market. Elle vient au marché. Now, our next sentence is we are coming to the beach. So, in French, it is nous dash à la plage. Here again, try and put the correct conjugation. Very good. Nous venons à la plage. Very good. We are coming to the beach. Nous venons à la plage. Now, our next sentence is you are coming to the office. So, in French, it is vous dash au bureau. Try and put the correct conjugation here also. Yes, very good. I'm so proud of you. Vous venez au bureau. You are coming to the office. Vous venez au bureau. Now, our next sentence is they are coming to the cinema. In French, it is ils dash au cinéma. Here again, try and put the correct conjugation. Yes, you are right. I'm so proud of you. Ils viennent au cinéma. Very good. They are coming to the cinema. Ils viennent au cinéma. Now, our next sentence is they are coming to the library. So, in French, it is elles dash à la bibliothèque. Now, here again, try and put the correct conjugation. Yes, you are right. I'm so proud of you. Elles viennent à la bibliothèque. Very good. They are coming to the library. Elles viennent à la bibliothèque. Now, this was all in today's video. I hope you have understood the conjugation of venir and you have also learned some practice dialogue which you can use for your everyday French conversation. So, I hope you have liked the video and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching. À la prochaine. Au revoir.